Welcome to our detailed comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 5 5600 and the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you decide which processor is the best fit for your needs. The Ryzen 5 5600 is an excellent budget option, while the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D offers top-tier performance for gamers and content creators alike. Let's dive in. When it comes to performance, the Ryzen 5 5600 offers solid capabilities for everyday tasks and gaming at 1080p, thanks to its 6 cores and 12 threads. However, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D takes the lead with its 8 cores and 16 threads, along with the advanced 3D V-Cache technology that significantly boosts performance in gaming and multitasking scenarios. If you're looking for a processor that can handle heavy workloads in gaming at higher resolutions, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D is the clear winner. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two processors. The Ryzen 5 5600 is priced at $199, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D comes with a higher price tag of $449. While the 7800X 3D offers superior performance, it's essential to consider whether the additional cost aligns with your needs and budget. For casual users or gamers, the Ryzen 5 5600 provides excellent value. Another crucial aspect to consider is compatibility. The Ryzen 5 5600 uses the AM4 socket, which is widely supported by many motherboards, making it easier to upgrade for existing users. On the other hand, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D utilizes the newer AM5 socket, which requires a compatible motherboard. This could add to your overall upgrade cost if you're considering the 7800X 3D. Therefore, if you're looking for an easy upgrade path, the Ryzen 5 5600 might be the better choice. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 and the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D have their strengths and weaknesses. The Ryzen 5 5600 is an excellent budget processor that provides good performance for most users, while the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D is a powerhouse designed for those who demand the best performance. Depending on your needs and budget, you can make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.